Hi guys, I'm Chris Mark Villanueva and today we will talk about marketing segmentation. So, function of marketing include market segmentation, targeting, positioning function strategies, identification of market segment, market strategies. So first, what is market? A market is a place which allows the purchasers and the seller to invent and gather information and let them carry or exchange of various products or services. In other words, market refers to the place na nagsisell kayo ng goods or services. So what is market segmentation? Market segmentation is a process that consists of sectioning the target market into smaller groups that share similar characteristics, such as age, income, personality traits, behavior, interests, needs, or location. Knowing your market segmentation will help you target your product, sales, and marketing methods. It can help your product development processes by guiding how you build your product offers of various groups, such as male versus woman or high value income versus low value income. These segments can be used to optimize your products, marketing, advertising, and sales effort. So there are four types of segmentation. One is geographic segmentation. Geographic segmentation consists of creating different groups of customers based on geographic boundaries. Second, demographic segmentation. Demographic segmentation consists of dividing the market through different variables such as age, gender, income, etc. Next is psychographic segmentation. Consists of grouping the target audience based on their behavior, lifestyle, attitude, and interest. And last is behavioral segmentation. Behavioral segmentation focuses on specific reaction the way the customer go through their purchasing processes. So, geographic segmentation consists of creating different groups of customer based on geographic boundaries. For example, a fast food chain might change its menu items and special based on what people in certain area like. For example, they might have a spicy food on the menu in the places where spicy food is common. So the next example is demographic segmentation. For example, a company that sells a luxury cars might look for customer with a certain income, age, or job. For example, they might make ads for older wealthy people who are likely to be interested in luxury cars. Next is psychographic segmentation. Psychographic segmentation consists of a group that target the audience based on their behavior, lifestyle, attitude, and interest. For example, a fitness brand might try to reach customers based on how they live or and who they are. For example, they might go for after people who like to be active and care about their health. And last is behavioral segmentation. Behavioral segmentation focuses on specific reaction of the customer behaviors, patterns, and how customers go through their decision making and purchasing processes. That's all. Thank you.